yung friend ko po na si False Voice, pinost po niya yung video sa YouTube. And then yung nga po si Miss Ellen DeGeneres, she saw my video na I was performing there. Talagang, then she called me.
At pinakita niya yung clip na yun dun sa kanyang show,
Yes,
diba?
pinishare po niya yung video na yon sa show po niya na Ellen DeGeneres. Tapos po, then she called me, tapos sabi niya, "Is this Charisse?"
Ikaw mismo ang nakausap niya.
Oo, sabi, yes. Talaga pong sumigaw siya, tapos sabi, "Oh my God, I'm your #1 fan."
Wow! Galing! For those of you who don't know, si Ellen DeGeneres, siya yung boses ng Nemo, di ba? Yung sa Finding Nemo. Actually, the other one. Dory pala.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, and she has her own show. Galing! So, kailan ka lalabas doon?
Actually, wala pa pong exact date. Sana po ma-approvehan po yung visa.
Ayan, sa US Embassy po, sana ma-approvehan yung visa niya para, isang malaking karangalan para sa atin lahat ito. Okay. Charisse, saan mo ba nakukuha yung lakas mo sa, pagkanta?
Yung mom ko lang po kasi... yung mom ko lang po kasi nagtuturo po sa akin. So, I'm very thankful na... Tito naman. Very thankful po ako na...
Tinanong kita kanina, at what age did you start singing? Sabi mo, at the age of?
4.
At may kasamang vibrato na yan.
Apo.
Ibig sabihin nun, wala na akong pag-asa.
Ay, hindi meron po.
May pag-asa ba?
Apo.
Sinungaling ka?
You can do it, Donita.
I can do it.
Yes.
Okay, pwede bang sample nga ng isang song sa inyong concert this coming Christmas season? Can you guys show me a sample? Are you guys going to sing the prayer?
At the show, yes, but we're not supposed to tell you that because it's a secret.
Oh.
So don't tell anyone
Okay.
that we're singing the prayer.
Okay, wag niyong sabihin sa iba.
Yung sa show.
Okay. Okay, so the prayer. Wag mong kalimutan yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina.
Sabi ko rin ba?
Apo.
Very good, Donita. Very good.
Ladies and gentlemen, a sample from Martin and of course Charisse, the prayer.
Watches where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer. Guide us with your grace to a place
And watch us burn.